At 8 a.m. in the Twin Cities, light snow was falling. It was 17 degrees, or -8 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 10. The relative humidity was 74%. The wind was north at 10 miles an hour. The wind chill was 5. The pressure was 30.34 inches and rising. Around the metro, temperatures were between 12 and 16 degrees. Snow was falling at Blaine and Lakeville. It was cloudy at St. Paul, Eden Prairie, and Lake Elmo. Around the state, at Duluth, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 6. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 17 at Rochester, 11 at St. Cloud, 8 at Brainerd, and 4 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas, temperatures were between -5 and -4 degrees. At Sioux Falls, it was clear. At Fargo, it was cloudy. In Iowa, it was cloudy. It was 14 at Des Moines and 8 at Mason City. Around Wisconsin, at Eau Claire, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 11. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 20 at Madison and 23 at Milwaukee. Once again at 8 a.m. in the Twin Cities, it was 17 degrees. The wind chill was 5, with light snow.
The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, January 29, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 32 degrees, and the low 15 for a mean temperature of 24 degrees. A trace of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.72 inches. This is 0.26 inches below the normal amount of 0.98 inches for January. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 0.72 inches, which is 0.26 inches below normal. A trace of snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 12.3 inches. This is 0.4 inches below the normal amount of 12.7 inches for January. The total snowfall for the year now stands at 55.7 inches, which is 22.4 inches above normal. There were 41 heating degree days yesterday, which is 10 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 1,541, which is 26 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 4,417, which is 225 below normal. The highest wind gust observed was 24 miles an hour from the west. Yesterday, the average wind speed was 11 miles an hour. The normal high temperature for today is 24 degrees, and the normal low is 6. The record high for today is 48, which last occurred in 1989, and the record low is -30, which occurred in 1887. Sunrise today is at 7:35 a.m. and sunset is at 5:18 p.m. The Chanhassen, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, January 29, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 32 degrees and the low 13. A trace of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.61 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 0.61 inches. A trace of snow fell yesterday. There were 42 heating degree days yesterday. This brings the monthly total to 1,611. The yearly total since July 1st is 4,709.
Come see the National Weather Service booth at the Mall of America Government on Display Expo this weekend, January 29th and 30th. Our hands-on display will be found on the first floor, Nordstrom Court, on the northwest side of the mall. The hours of the expo are 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. on Saturday and 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Sunday. Staffed by meteorologists and hydrologists, the National Weather Service exhibit will consist of a variety of information, displays, and hands-on activities covering weather, water, and climate. There will be fun for the whole family, and the event is free and open to the public. Computers will be available, which you can use to explore National Weather Service websites. You will also see posters highlighting the record tornado outbreak of June 17, 2010, the severe flash flooding in southern Minnesota in late September, and the extensive river flooding across the upper Midwest. There will also be a slideshow highlighting National Weather Service operations, videos of severe weather, and loops of satellite and radar images. There will also be a tornado simulator and an interactive display area with measuring tools for snowfall, rainfall, and temperature. You will also find an informational display on NOAA Weather Radio, the official voice of the National Weather Service. Our staff will provide details about the broadcast and even program your weather radio if you bring it along with batteries. We look forward to seeing you this Saturday and Sunday at the National Weather Service exhibit at the Government on Display Expo at the Mall of America.
Long-duration snowfall expected Sunday evening through Monday night from west central to south central Minnesota into west central Wisconsin. A winter storm warning is now in effect from Sunday evening through Monday night for much of west central and south central Minnesota, generally south and west of Appleton, to WILLMAR, to Litchfield, to OWATONNA line, and south toward the Iowa border, where 24-hour snowfall totals of 6 to 8 inches are expected. Isolated higher totals approaching 10 inches also appear possible in the warning area. A winter weather advisory is now in effect from Sunday evening through Monday night for the remainder of west central Minnesota into east central Minnesota, as well as west central Wisconsin, generally surrounding the Interstate 94 corridor from Alexandria to the Twin Cities to Eau Claire. 24-hour snowfall totals of 2 to 5 inches are possible before the snow tapers off on Monday night. The period of heaviest snowfall is expected to occur overnight tonight into Monday across the region. Lighter snowfalls will occur later Monday afternoon into Monday night. In addition to the snow, the wind is expected to increase out of northeast on Monday. Given the fluffy nature of the snow, blowing and drifting snow could create some problems Monday night and Tuesday. The snowfall could impact the Monday morning commute, and those traveling Sunday night or Monday should keep an eye on the forecast as this system evolves. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, mostly cloudy. Scattered flurries in the morning. Highs 15 to 20. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, snow likely in the evening, then snow overnight. Snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Lows around 10 above. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday, snow. Snow accumulation around 2 inches. Highs around 15. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, cloudy. Snow likely in the evening, then a chance of snow overnight. Snow accumulation around 1 inch. Low 0 to 5 above zero. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. And now for the extended forecast. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow. Highs around 10. Lows around 5 below. Wednesday and Wednesday night, mostly clear. Highs around 5. Lows around 5 below. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 15. Lows around 5. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Lows around 15. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today, mostly cloudy. Scattered flurries in the morning. Highs 15 to 20. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KAC 65, serving a portion of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul.